Hello, good night, everyone. Today I will get you on configuring set on with Cyber Panel. Cyber Panel. So previously I have deployed Cyber Panel on CentOS 7 Linux, but we don't have a active website, so right now I will configure a website, maybe with WordPress or Joomla or Drupal. So 2 days ago I have built Cyber Panel, but not yet completed. Maybe we can point the server IP into your FQDN or hostname. I will use a Cloudflare to point my DNS. So if you looking for open source and free control panel, maybe Cyber Panel can fit your need. Aja nang kamarku wae. Diomongi bolak-balik ora kena to. Diomongi Pak arep buke barang kok ora roh wates ya. Okay, let's start the get. I will log into Cloudflare, but I will enable DNS only without CDN proxy. I will point my hostname or FQDN and set a record and CNAME or www record. That's pretty basic. This for basic skill we saw for this step we saw point a record DNS, but you can create private name server or chill name server, so you will get a NS1 NS2 record. Okay, then I have only having subdomain or FQDN, I will take a simple step to create a record like this. We can point both a record and then point the name and www dot and okay, after that we can point like this. Okay, after that waiting for maybe few minutes so the DNS can be propagated properly. So as you can see on the screen, you can see some available function like user, website, the packet, database, DNS, FTP, backup, email, SSL, status, PHP, logs, and security. For the first step, we should add packet. So we create a packet fish. So you before you create user account, you must having a packet. For example, I will create packet node 35, and the domain I will put CB cyber, and storage or disk space 4 GB, and bandwidth, or maybe we can select to unlimited, and FTP account 0, and database 10, email 10. And we can maybe try to enable this additional feature and create packet. What domain? Sorry, 0, and then create packet. Packet node 35 successfully created. After that, we can create new user. And the fish name, you can using your nickname and don't actual your name to secret your identical your identification. I mean fish name like this, and then put your email, HL admin, website, we can set to 0 unlimited. Then username, you can put your preferred username. Then password, you can using generate. And for security level, you can set to high. Then let's add a user. Last name node GS. Then after that, we can back to the home page. Then click website. Create website. Then select packet and owner, domain name, I will put my subdomain and email, and for PHP version we can stick to PHP 8.0. Then you can enable additional feature like SSL, DKIM support, OpenBSD protection, and create mail domain. Then we can check the record like this using what my DNS. Okay, the subdomain is properly pointed to server IP address. Okay, waiting for few minutes. Okay, website successfully created, and go back to home page. Then don't forget to enable backup. Then so you will get the backup file on your server to prevent all data loss. It's like this, like your domain and destination, home, and create backup. And for the efficient working, you can schedule the backup. This backup. Schedule the backup. Then select destination, remote backup, exiting backup. Oh, that's it for remote backup. Simply go back. Oh. Then after that we can ignore the backup. Then we have created the file, a backup file, and then let's click the SSL feature. Sorry, I mean SSL function, and manage SSL. then say and then issue SSL. Okay, SSL issue, then you can open the domain on web browser. Okay, CyberPanel installed, domain is successfully pointed, and as you can see the server response header, the server using Lightspeed on open Lightspeed, I mean, sorry. Then we can check the SSL connection or secure HTTPS connection, and this is using a Let's Encrypt SSL, so it's easy free. And we can check the PHP version. We can select the install extension. This is a standard configuration. We not yet doing any fine tune or tweaking. So for newly created or newly created set, it's with enough. You can select the latest PHP 8 and install the following extension. Like Ion Comploader, Imagic, or for server. You can select a PHP 7.4, and you of course need to install Ion Comploader PHP extension. Send some template and plugin and module usually need Ion Comploader. Okay, we can check the tuning. Let's be tuning. You can doing some tuning on your server, like this, the tuning. And server status. so we can monitoring the server without login to the CLI interface. As you can see the process like this. Then let's switch status. Okay, after that we can move to the security function. Then there are some function or module like firewall, GSF, mod security, KGFS. Buat KGFS sole working if your system operating using Cloud Linux OS instead of CentOS Linux. And you can also secure SSH port. So access to your server is more secure rather than using the default SSH port. For example, we can changing the port to the another port number like this, 57307. So if you and then save change, so based on changing the port number from command line, you can also changing the port via the cyber panel. Okay, let's log in. This is root add p. Okay, then simply paste the password. After that, don't forget to secure your server. You can select one of the following for firewall, both GSF or firewall. Like this, you can enable, but don't forget to waitlist the port number. SSH port number. Like this, then simply add the TCP port and then paste the port number, and you can put the 0000, so your server can be accessed from outside. And for rel name, SSHD port number. Sorry, so the port number. Then for UDP connection, after that okay. Don't forget to reload the firewall rule. Then maybe you can enable GSF and LFD firewall. We can install it. Install. Or if you facing this problem, you can install via command line interface. So you can open the GSF website, GSF firewall. So you can doing on your set later, and we can skip this and continue to install the content management system. Also, sorry, for mod security, we can enable that. Okay. Plugin. Then we can I will try to install WordPress. sorry, the CSF is running. Don't forget to waitlist the port number, SSID port number. This then click change. Then we can return. Also for ADB port we should enable that. For IPv6. For TCP6 and change and restart CSF and LFD, then going back and back to the home page, back to home. Okay, after that let's try to install Drupal. Then let's click manage. Then let's open file manager. Or we can using the application installer cPanel offer the application installed as free. Maybe we can install Joomla or PrestaShop, so you will make your work will easily, or WordPress with LS case. And simply put the blog title, and for password we can random it. Then let's install WordPress. Okay, go back and let's re-log into WP admin. And that it's maybe you can put your set on production environment using this cyber panel, and there are many features on with open Lightspeed. Like this ls case, so you will get many benefit using with ls case, and you can enable case and case mobile and save change. So for alternative of Python or control panel like cPanel, VHM or Flex panel, you can select cyber panel. Then enable this. Maybe you can doing it on yourself for setting up the plugin, and browser cache we can enable that. Object cache, you can select both Redis or Memcache. I will select Redis cache. Persistent connection on. WP admin cache we can usually set it to off, and store transient on, and save change. Also for role you can don't cache the role like admin, author, and contributor, and save change. And for parser you can enable that, and alpic, and save change. For TTL, the current rule is with Enoch, so we can ignore that. Okay, go back to home. So for production environment or production server, you can put your website under cyber panel. So okay, let's log out from the cyber panel. For secure access we can using FKDN, and previously we have pointed FKDN, my FKDN to the Cloudflare. Okay, let's log out. and then go back to login. And maybe we should enable it first. Admin. Then for we can click the SSL. Then hostname SSL. So issue hostname for SSL like this, then issue. We must doing that so the access to the control panel will more secure rather than using a plain port or HTTP connection. Also don't forget for mail server, we should create or issue the Let's Encrypt SSL. Okay, let's check the homepage. Or you can continue or reading the documentation or CyberPanel website. Go back, hostname, select website, let's issue again. Okay, thank you. And I think the video is good enough, and thank you and good night. We can continue the tutorial on the next video. Thank you and good night.